In this video, we'll be replacing the old PCV hoses with some new Z1 silicone hoses. Let's get started. And here's the hose for the PCV system on the passenger side. Goes from the valve cover all the way to the back of the intake manifold. Be careful removing the hose off the intake side. Over the years, the nipple can get brittle and you can possibly break it if overhandled. And this is the new Z1 hose on the passenger side. It'll be the longer of the set. On top of the valve cover, there's a little notch where the hose sits into. You can also add some dielectrical grease to this nipple here. It'll help the hose go on easier and off in the future. The silicone hose is actually quite thicker than the OEM hose, so I had to use a bigger tension clamp. This is how it should look when it's installed. Make sure it's seated. And now to put everything back on the passenger side. And now for the driver's side. Honestly, the best thing to do is just remove the whole intake boot entirely, because this little plastic piece here is brittle. As you can see, I've made previous repairs. It cracks every time I remove it, but luckily it's just a little out of time. And I'll keep fixing it until it breaks entirely. If you don't plan to keep the hose, this is an optional way of getting the hose off. Forgot to do this to the other side, but you can add a little dielectric grease to the nipples. This will help the silicone hose slide in easier. And that's how you install the Z1 PCV silicone hose set on a EX35. Thanks for watching.